All aboard to the Rochelle train. It's 10:18, right on time for the Rochelle Express. A man with a gun lives here. Did you know that? That's what the sign says. A man with a gun lives here. It truly is a amazing town. Hold your tongue, fool, or I shall smite thee. Good people. See, some people have okay people, but in Rochelle, we have good people. Charlie, stop. This is a good one. Dangerous drinking water. I know this for a fact because we have some water fountains at the church that taste like rust. Do you know what I'm talking about, babe? Why aren't you speaking? A kind lady lives here, and you know how you know they're a kind lady? Because they like cats.
Wait, Justin.
What?
No defect. Total axle 426. Temperature 51 degrees. Detector out.
51 degrees.
51 degrees total axle. My whole shift is gonna be off.
Uh-oh. Justin, you missed something.
I missed tic-tac-toe. Oh my gosh.
I win.
Oh, cats, come on, cats.
No, I win. Wait, Justin, are you hurt?
It's a slightly different type.
Wait, I'm unclean.
See, that one's the unclean one, and you know why? Because there's a pig at the top. Apparently, Rochelle is not very Jewish friendly. Just saying.
Wait, Justin, are you hurt?
I don't think I know what.
Are you hurt?
Because the doctor here won't charge. Because he looks like an alien.
But he's by a cross. Wait, this town is hostile.
And thus ends our ride in the Rochelle train park, which is, in fact, the only good place to go in Rochelle, according to Travelocity.com.
And it's a good place to catch a train. You can camp here or keep quiet. And there's alcohol in this town.